Updating your legal name on Doofinder is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Doofinder account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In account settings, look for an option related to personal information or name changes. Click on this option to proceed with updating your legal name. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that you double-check the spelling and format to avoid any errors. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name, click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify that your name has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on Doofinder. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.